Hi friends, we're back today with a quick video for my spring bedroom and bath. Now my bedroom has a lot of vintage items that I purchased over the years. I really wanted to create a Parisian flea market vibe in my bedroom. So it's eclectic. It doesn't have a specific color theme, but it does have a color story. And today we're adding a little bit more violet hues to our kind of pastel palette. I have been making a lot of progress for my apartment transformation. So if you haven't seen that video yet for my prep, please check that out after this video. So I finally chosen the paint colors for my apartment and I purchased the paint. So I'll be showing you the paint swatches on the wall. We'll be doing a lot of prep for the paint and we'll be talking more about what I'll be doing in the near future. Um, and also purchasing furniture. I'll probably be doing a haul video. So you don't want to miss any of that. So make sure you click the notification button so you don't miss a thing. So enjoy today's video. We're back in my bedroom for spring, and I've changed a few things out since the last time I made a video for my bedroom, which was Christmas. And first, I need to apologize for any construction noise that might appear on my video. There's just a lot of construction going on in my neighborhood the last few days, so sometimes it can't be helped. But so recently, put up this Venetian mirror that I bought years ago, and I'm so happy that I did because it looks so beautiful. And I also put two sconces on the side of it, and it really just enhances that feminine kind of Parisian feel that I want in this bedroom. I also added this beautiful rose painting here. I actually painted this a few years ago. It's a 3D painting, and it's so pretty. So I just kind of hung it on the wall here behind this birch tree with lights, and you'll see it lit up a little bit later. I also added another Natalie Lette plate from Anthropologie, and you can still buy her plates and start your collection now and just keep adding to it. And they're so beautiful. I have a bird there. These are all perfect for spring. A rose and this gorgeous owl with a little lavender around the edge of the plate. And I decided to add touches of violet throughout the bedroom. And so I brought back these gorgeous velvet, well, they're actually a damask velvet pattern that's kind of ombre, but you can't really tell. But it's really, really pretty. This gorgeous violet and aubergine colors in here. And I just have the same sheer drapes behind it for privacy because there's an apartment building right next to me. And I've got some other things here I have my books, and I also have this lovely vase of some spring flowers that I got from Michael's. And as you know, anytime you get flowers, you just kind of have to work with them to get them looking the way that you would like. And they look so great next to this frame of violets that I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby last year. And this gorgeous pot I got from Shop Terrain, which is a sister company of Anthropology. And I just put some uh, little flowers that I got from Target in there last year. And these are my collection of butterflies. And so I'm going to continue to decorate this little vignette corner by my bed. Again, I apologize for the construction noise. And this box here I got from IKEA years ago, and I just decoupaged it with different papers. And I have some uh, knobs that I had collected from Anthropology over the years. And it makes a great little catch-all for things that I might need on my bedside. And then I just have some candles here, my battery operated candles. And this is a vase, but I actually use it for as a cloche, and I'm going to use it to put on top of these candles. And it even gives me another little shelf to put something else on if I wanted to. Now in this vignette over here, I have a vintage looking rose print that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And this beautiful pot that I got from Shop Terrain, and another little pot of violets that I got from Target, and I just kind of slipped it in there. And some wrought iron colorful taper candle holders that I got from World Market. And I believe I got the taper candles from World Market too. And this little collage of the botanicals I got from Hobby Lobby. And on my plant stand that I keep here in the corner that I change out, I have a teapot that I think was from the 80s, so you know it's vintage now. And I have a little gold box there. You probably seen that one before. Um, the teapot, and then another vintage teapot here. For my bed, I bought this vintage bedspread from a vintage store here in Los Angeles years ago, and I've loved it ever since. I've even used this as a draperies, if you can believe it. But I just thought these colors were so beautiful. And so also I have these pillowcase covers. These came from H&M Home, and this pretty ruffle velvet one, the pillow cover I got in a set of 5, I think, and I got that from Amazon. And this beautiful embroidery pillow I bought from Anthropologie years ago, and I just always love to bring it out during the springtime. And above my bed, I put a vintage needlepoint, and I got that from the Melrose Flea Market years ago. Now on the floor, I have a rug that I bought from Anthropologie about 3 years ago that I absolutely love, and it really picks up those colors in the bedspread. And then this is a rug, I think it's a seagrass rug that I got from World Market maybe 5 years ago, and it's holding up really well. And I had it actually as a kind of art piece, I guess, above my bed for a while. So I decided to just use it as a rug again. I love this gorgeous vase that I got from Michael's. So pretty. This is actually blue on the bottom, but it's just a pale blue, and it's really gorgeous. And I just put some flowers here that I also got from Michael's. For these apothecary jars, I have some vintage beaded flowers. This one is actually beaded grapes. And I just kind of put them in there with some beautiful purple ribbon. Again, I'm adding lots of violet touches to this room. And on this side, there's another jar. And I've got some more vintage flowers in there. So you can probably see it better without the flower base. And the room spray came from H&M Home. I love adding different layers to the bed. It just adds to the coziness and the look of the room.